Well, the cooler weather over the course of the weekend, and now we're back toward the brighter skies, the sunshine, and warm conditions. Look over the next several days. 84 the high on Tuesday, 87 as we get into Wednesday. We'll stay right there in the upper 80s as we go through Thursday, and a little more cloud cover that will work into the area toward the end of the work week, but still at this point, no rain chance in sight. So Doppler radar, we'll go ahead and put this one away. It is going to be very quiet over the next 5 to 7 days. Current temperatures across the region, we are dipping back into the lower 60s. Few areas upper 60s from Toledo out toward our lakeshore areas due to that warmer lake water that's still hanging close to 70 degrees. Now, some brand new information if you've just joined us today. We have a named tropical system down there in the Gulf of Mexico. This is Tropical Storm Francine, winds at 65 miles per hour, and it will make a no doubt imminent landfall across the Gulf Coast, with it being in the Gulf of Mexico, strengthening to a Category 1 hurricane. In fact, probably going to do that by the time you wake up tomorrow morning, and then continuing to strengthen to a Category 2 hurricane, making its way across the Gulf of Mexico over toward the Louisiana coast. So the question is, with our hour-by-hour forecast, will this bring some rainfall to our area? And here it goes, making landfall as a Category 2 hurricane. This is going to be late Wednesday morning into the early afternoon, and then some of that tropical moisture making its way up to the Gulf of Mexico. But where does it go from there? And we've got the answer to that in the hour-by-hour forecast. Widen this picture out. There will be some significant rains, Mississippi up into Arkansas and western Tennessee. Unfortunately, though, it will make it to the Ohio River Valley. It just stops short of making its way into northern Ohio due to the fact we're going to have high pressure anchored to the east. That is going to keep drier air in place for our area. So at this point, we'll say it's unlikely that we get any widespread rainfall from the tropics. We certainly could use it. Much of Ohio still not only under a significant drought, but central and southern Ohio, it is an exceptional drought, which is one of the higher classifications. Here in northwest Ohio, we've got the moderate drought conditions that have continued. So where are we going to go tonight into tomorrow morning? Falling back into the 50s. We'll have clearer skies, calmer winds after a breeze that was up across the area today. Highs are going to go back into the 80s, low to mid 80s as we get into Tuesday afternoon. Another clear, cool start to the day Wednesday, then right back into the mid and upper 80s as we go into Wednesday afternoon. Tonight's going to have a cool, crisp feel. If you have the windows open, you're already starting to feel that chill. 52 degrees as the overnight low into Tuesday. Right around 84 degrees. Mostly sunny. It will be a very dry day and turning a bit warmer. And our 10-day forecast does have 87 on Wednesday, 88 for Thursday. We're going to stay dry through Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. A little more cloud cover into the end of the work week. Mid 80s on Friday. Still looking at dry conditions into the weekend Saturday, and only the slimmest chance of some rain. A shower or two Sunday into Monday. That could be some of that remnant tropical moisture. Overall, though, it is not going to be a high chance of rain, and temperatures expected to stay at or above average straight through the 10-day forecast well into mid-September.